Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on the 5th of May 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of May 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.12. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has incurred a loss of 1.9%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 0.63% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides at the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $25.51 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline, but may also signal a potential shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of -20.35% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -51.72% to -16.24%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of -25.24%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -90.65% and +35.42% over the coming year. In terms of future pricing, this would place the stock value somewhere between $2.27 and $32.85. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price ended at $24.26 on Monday, after losing 4.75%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 4.75% on the last day, Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, from $25.47 to $24.26. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.68%, reaching a day low of $24.20 and a day high of $25.09. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 7.87% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a positive sign since volume should align with the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 681,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares exchanged for approximately $62.14 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $56.55, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price is 57.10%, or $32.29 below the 52-week high, and 69.44%, or $55.12 below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Recently, Donald Trump posted an artificial intelligence-generated image of himself as Pope on his Truth social platform. This generated significant buzz just days after the passing of Pope Francis. Such publicity may have mixed effects on Trump Media and Technology Group stock, DJT. In the short term, this attention can drive engagement on Truth Social, potentially leading to increased advertising revenue. However, it may also heighten scrutiny regarding the company's branding and direction amidst ongoing controversies. Earlier, DJT published a letter to shareholders outlining key strategies during its annual meeting. This move promotes transparency and may instill investor confidence in the company's growth plans, particularly with its evolving portfolio that now includes financial technology offerings under Truth.Fi. Recent developments surrounding investment products have sparked regulatory interest, with Senator Elizabeth Warren questioning potential conflicts of interest regarding Trump's investment initiatives. This scrutiny could negatively impact investor sentiment in the long term. On a more favorable note, DJT has experienced a surge in stock prices, with a notable increase of 10.4% driven by optimistic market conditions and a partnership with Crypto.com to launch exchange-traded funds. This signals a strategic pivot towards cryptocurrency and broader financial services. Such diversification is likely to attract investors seeking innovative growth avenues. Overall, while short-term volatility is expected due to external factors like publicity and regulatory challenges, DJT's strategic moves in fintech and cryptocurrency could position the company for long-term viability in an evolving market landscape. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is indicated by the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, the overall sentiment is a buy, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $25.14. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $21.36. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. Some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 8.04%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivot suggested a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 50 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages produced a buy signal 11 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a buy 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 59 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 54 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this point can lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation has support just below today's level at $22.87. If this support is breached, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 89 cents between its high and low, which equates to 3.68%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 4.52%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies may face downturns, often due to factors outside of their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could signal inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $26.14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $22.87. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 12th of March 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 10th of March 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 10th of March 2025, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. On the 10th of March 2025, Philip Juhan conducted yet another insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001 per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of approximately 20.667. Overall, insiders purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several negative signals, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by approximately 257 0.10 and start trading at $24.52. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best wishes from all of us here at StockInvest.